Hello and welcome to ZAPR and JAP Academy. My name is Raju Shrest and today I will talk about a very terrifying yet interesting topics. You have seen it in movies, now it is closer than you think. Are you ready to face the AI threat? Artificial intelligence is a technology that promises incredible advancements, but have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could one day pose an existential threat to humanities? Yes, humanities. Movies and news headlines often paint a terrifying picture of AI as a malevolent force capable of surpassing human intelligence and turning against its creators. But is this fear justified? Is it time to start worrying about a future where machines rule the world? Let us try to understand this threat today in this short video. The first chapter, the fear. Imagine a world where machines, once our tools, have become our masters. The very thought is very worrying. A world where artificial intelligence born from our ingenuity has turned against us. This terrifying scenario has haunted our collective imagination for decades. From the chilling monologues of HAL 9000 in 2001, A Space Odyssey, to the relentless pursuit of Sarah Connor by the T-800 in the Terminator. These fictional portrayals have painted a vivid picture of an AI-dominated future. But it's not just the realm of fiction that the fear exists. In recent years, as AI has advanced at an unprecedented rate, concerns about its potential dangers have become increasingly prevalent. From job displacement to privacy violations, the potential negative consequences of AI has been widely debated. And lurking beneath this concern is a deeper fear, the fear that AI could one day surpass human intelligence and become a force beyond our control. That brings us to chapter 2, the study. Amidst this growing anxiety, a groundbreaking study has emerged, offering a glimmer of hope. Scientists have delved deep into the inner workings of large language models, popularly known as LLMs, the sophisticated AI systems that power everything from chatbot to content creation. These researchers have meticulously examined the capabilities and limitations of LLMs, seeking to unravel the truth about their potential threat to humanity. LLMs are incredibly powerful tools capable of generating human-like text, translating languages, and writing different kinds of creative content. But do they possess the intelligence and autonomy to pose a threat? The study is clearly optimistic. The study findings were both surprising and reassuring. While LLMs are impressive, they are fundamentally limited. They cannot learn independently. They cannot reason in complex ways that they cannot understand the world beyond the data they are trained on. So that brings us to chapter 3, the findings. The study's findings were nothing short of groundbreaking. Despite their impressive abilities, LLMs are fundamentally constrained by their design. They are essentially pattern-recognizing machines capable of generating text that is similar to what they have been trained on, but lacking the deeper understanding and cognitive abilities that characterize only the human intelligence. Unlike the human brain, which is capable of abstract thoughts, creativity, and self-awareness, LLMs are limited to the specific tasks they are designed to perform. They cannot think outside the box. They cannot understand the nuances of human language, and they cannot form their own opinions or beliefs. While LLMs can be remarkably good at certain tasks, they are also prone to errors and misunderstandings. They can generate misleading or harmful content that can be easily manipulated and exploited. In the end, the study findings offers a clear message that AI is a powerful tool. It is not a threat to humanity. LLMs and other forms of AI are simply tools that we can use for good or for ill, depending on our intentions and our understandings of their limitations. So coming to chapter 4, the misuse risk. While the existential threat posed by AI may be exaggerated, it's important to recognize that AI can still be misused in ways that can have serious consequences. The potential for harm is real, and we must be vigilant in addressing these risks. One of the most pressing concerns is the rise of deepfakes, highly realistic fake videos or audio recordings that can be used to spread misinformations, manipulate public opinion, or even frame innocent people. AI can also be used to enhance cyber attacks, making them more sophisticated and difficult to detect. From automated phishing attacks to malicious code generation, AI can amplify the threat posed by cyber criminals. Beyond deepfakes and cyber attacks, AI can also be used for harmful purposes such as autonomous weapons, mass surveillance, and discriminations. The potential for misuse is vast, and it is imperative that we develop ethical guidelines and regulations to mitigate this and mitigate these risks. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. We must be protective in addressing the potential harms of the powerful technology. By understanding the risk and taking steps to mitigate them, we can evaluate and ensure that AI is used for benefit of humanity rather than its detriment. So, Chapter 5, the conclusion. So, where does this leave us? While the existential threat posed by AI may be overblown, it is important to remain vigilant and proactive in addressing the potential risks. The future of AI is in our hands, and it's up to us to ensure that this powerful technology is used for the betterment of humanity. AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries from healthcare to education to climate change. It can help us to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges such as disease, poverty, and environmental degradation. But to realize that potential, we must approach AI development with a sense of responsibility and ethics. We must ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits everyone, not just a privileged few. The future of AI is a blank canvas waiting to be painted. Let us choose to paint a picture of the world where AI is a force for good, a tool that empowers us to achieve great things. Together, we can shape a future where AI serves our needs rather than the other way around. So what are your thoughts? Is this fear of AI existential threat justified, or is it time to focus on the potential benefits and risk of this powerful technology? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Whether you agree or disagree, please do put your feedback. We'll be happy to respond to each and every comments you put. If you like our content, please consider sharing it with your friends, colleagues, and relatives. Also, if you think our content is worthy of your time, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Until next video, Raju Shrestha signing off.